Alright guys, Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts, and in this video I want to talk about Stress Away Essential Oil. It's definitely a must-have in everyday life. So before I begin, I want to talk about this disclaimer. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This information is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. This information is not intended or implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult your physician before using these products. So here is Young Living's logo, their Seed to Seal quality commitment established in 1994. So all oils in the world fall into one of four categories: authentic, manipulated, perfume, or synthetic. Authentic means that the oils are 100% pure with no added synthetics or other species in the bottle. These are Young Living oils. Manipulated means that the final product has been made to smell more pleasing and less earthy. Some of the heavier molecules have been stripped out or another species introduced to enhance the aroma. Perfume oils are not pure. They are mixed with synthetics to enhance the aroma. These oils have no therapeutic action, and frequently solvents are used to extract the plant. So synthetic oils are not true oils at all. They smell nothing like the original plant and are typically labeled as scented products. These are synthetic. So authentic is the only true pure oil. Synthetic oils would be like opening up your fridge, taking a glass of orange juice, and diluting it 95% before you drink it, and diluting it with chemicals. It wouldn't have the same benefits of a full glass of only orange juice. So that's why you want to use authentic oils. So before you purchase, check to see if the company grows their own plants, has seed to seal, and controls the entire process, from the farm to the sealed bottle. Pesticides, pollution, previously farmed land, all of it can actually affect the quality of an oil. That's exactly why I'm so passionate about Young Living's seed to seal process. So why would you go the extra step of using an oil to get away from a chemical only to use an oil laden with chemicals? It makes no sense. So for example, if you walk into a grocery store and look at a box of cereal, you'll see nutrition facts on the side. There are no nutrition facts on the side of oils. So that means you have to trust the source. You have to know the company you're purchasing from. So what sets Young Living aside? It's their seed to seal process. It's their promise of purity. And you can actually learn more about seed to seal at seedtoseal.com. So all of Young Living oils are shipped from around the world to Spanish Fork, Utah, where they actually run through vigorous 8-point testing to ensure purity. Those tests are run in triplicate at the farm at Spanish Fork and a third time before bottling. It's why Young Living has never had a recalled essential oil in more than 2 decades of business. You definitely can trust the integrity. And Seed to Seal is actually also based on 3 pillars: sourcing, science, and standards. Young Living oils are tested by scientists with over 180 years of combined lab experience, and they also do third-party testing with 2 accredited, respected, independent labs. So Young Living Seed to Seal process is a promise of integrity. There are no pesticides used, no artificial fertilizers, and no weed killers. The plants are harvested at their peak, and they're then put through a vigorous testing process. Then they go from the farm directly to your home. So Seed to Seal is not a slogan, it's a promise. So let's finally talk about Stress Away. So Stress Away Essential Oil Blend contains a unique combination of lime essential oil and vanilla extract. It's this distinct mix of vanilla and lime that gives Stress Away its unique and pleasant aroma, among other benefits. And Stress Away also includes copaiba, which has a history of beneficial properties in topical application, lavender with its refreshing and calming scent, and cedarwood, which features the powerful plant constituent cetrol. These ingredients are expertly blended with the exotic scent of Octio, a unique Ecuador source essential oil. So here are some ideas for applications. You can actually diffuse stress away in your home after a long day for a fresh, soothing aroma that helps promote feelings of relaxation. You can apply it to your wrist while at work or school to enjoy this blend soothing fresh scent. And you can actually add a few drops to a cotton ball and place it in the vent of your car to create a calming environment during a long drive or rush hour traffic. You can also wear Stress Away as a personal fragrance, which I personally love doing. You can actually add it to Epsom salt for a relaxing bath. And you can also add it to Young Living's bath and shower gel base. So where to diffuse? You can actually turn your home into a vanilla scented oasis, a piece away from the bustle of the world outside. You can fill your workspace with a sweet, calming aroma that will encourage you to breathe deeply and relax. And you can surround your children with a peaceful aroma to help them settle for a restful evening. You can actually accompany your car or airplane travels with a peaceful tropical aroma as you prepare for your next great adventure. You can also wrap your bedroom in comfort and calm as you prepare for your nighttime routine, and you can encourage deep, serene thought in your classroom or study space. So, a tropical blend of lime, vanilla, copaiba, and more. Stress Away sweet citrus scent helps you step away from the many tasks that fill your day to momentarily unwind and relax in a personal oasis. So here are some directions. Topically, you can shake well and apply generously on your wrist or back of neck as desired. And again, cautions: keep out of reach of children for external use only. Keep away from eyes and mucous membranes. And if you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, please consult a health professional prior to use. And you want to avoid direct sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying product. So here is some product background with Stress Away. Stress Away brings aromas from around the world to create an on-the-go getaway just for you. It includes botanicals with influence that spans the globe, including copaiba, which has been used since the 16th century in Brazil. Lavender, a staple in the Provence region of France. Again, a staple in my life. Lavender, in case you want to take a look at Lavender's video that I actually made. But going back, lavender, the staple in the Provence region of France, and cedarwood, which can be found in Morocco in the United States. And with these essential oils and the addition of lime and vanilla, Stress Away was specifically formulated by founder D. Gary Young to calm the mind and help you take on life's challenges with its soothing aroma. And Stress Away Essential Oil Blend actually joined the Young Living team family in 2016. So here is Stress Away Essential Oil. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Take care, and God bless.